So we start the first phase of training with developing your business idea. To do this, we will use the 5 P's. In the first class, we look at the first 3 P's, which is passion, purpose, and power. For passion, ask yourself, what lights you? What do you really care about? What do you love doing? And that can be your business opportunity. And for power, ask yourself, what are the personal qualities or skills that you have? What do your friends come to you about whenever they are in need? What are you good at doing? That can be a business opportunity. So for purpose, ask yourself, what do you really live for? What impact do you want to leave for yourself and your business? What drives you? With all these answers, this can be your business opportunity. Please find out how in our first class. Thank you.